How to register a bank account in Citi Bank. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about registering a new account in Citi Bank. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your favorite web browser and then go to citi.com. You will be taken to the official website of Citi Bank. Now from here, you just have to locate the login portal in the right hand side of the screen. Now in this box, you will see the option of register or activate that is highlighted in blue color just below the sign on option. Simply tap on this register option and you will be taken to the Citi online registration form. For registering a new account in Citibank, you have to fill up your account information, then you have to verify, set up the online access, and then go for the confirmation. So in this page, you have to enter the correct form of your credit or debit card number. And once you do that, go ahead and click on continue. Now it's time for verification. Enter the CVV code. If you're a primary card user, simply select this primary card user option. Otherwise, you can go ahead and select authorized user as well. In case of primary card user, you also have to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. And if you're authorized user, you just have to enter the name that appears on your card. Now click on continue option and you will be taken to the setup online access. Follow the on-screen instructions and after a quick confirmation, you will be able to register a new account in citi.com. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can register a bank account in Citi Bank. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.